Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A16s. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's go to Google Pay. Tap Add the card and focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. First, let's go to loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add to your Google Pay account. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Save and it's done. Next, let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select a shop. Enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Save. In the end, let's select public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Pay. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.